Welcome back. In today's Microsoft Word tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add page numbers to your pages. This one's nice and easy to do. We've got 4 pages here ready and set up. You first need to go to the Insert tab at the top, and then go to the header and footer section and find where it says page number. If you click on that, it will bring up a drop-down box, and we can add page numbers to different places on the page with these first 4 options. So we can add it to the current position where the cursor is, or we can add it to the top of the page, the bottom of the page, or even in the margins as well. If we choose top of page for the example, you can see we can add it to the left, in the middle, to the right, and you can even have the accent bars and things as well. So it's up to you. And there's even more you can probably choose from at office.com. We'll go with plain number 3 to have the number in the right, and as you can see, it's automatically added it in as page 1, page 2, and then obviously up to 4. It'll put us into the Designer tab because we're in the Header and Footer Tools section. We can edit the page numbers from within here too. You can see we've got the Header and Footer section furthest left now, and we can click on the drop down box to edit some of these settings. We can remove them with the bottom option, but if we go to the second to bottom, we can format the page numbers to change the appearance even more. We can change the number format at the top, so you can add dashes either side of the number and add letters, Roman numerals and things like that. And we can add and include the chapter number as well. We can also make the numbers start at a different number, so if we were to have them starting at 0 for example, we can do that. Now this is 0, this is 1, and that will go up to 3. And so that's all you need to know for page numbers in Microsoft Word. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.